In this video, I would like to show you one of the scenarios that will happen or it is already happened on your trading activity. And that is when you open a trade and that trade is being profitable and suddenly you want to open another trade because you think the market will move in your direction because your first trade is already profitable. Well, why not opening a second trade or third trade? Why not? You will make even more money. But your trading strategy tells you do not open more than one trade at a time, because your trading risk management says if you have opened one trade, that means you are risking 1% of your trading account. If the market turns around you, your stop loss will be 1% of your account balance. So if you open more trades, you will have another percentage added to your loss if the price goes against you. So it is mandatory to follow your trading strategy, and that means opening only one trade at a time. So for example, let's take a look at an example. For example, let's say that currently I would like to open a sell order which is with a one lot size, which means one standard lot. I click sell by the market, and now I wait for the market to move in my direction. As soon as the price moves in my direction, I will go to the 1 hour time frame. Currently I am on the gold against US dollar on the 1 hour time frame, and currently I am waiting for the price to move in my direction. I have opened first trade because it is sell order, and my trading strategy tells me that when the price reaches this support level, I should open one sell order. So I have done that, and currently I need to wait until the price goes in my favor, and that means go down. Let's go to the lower time frame on a 5 minutes time frame just to follow easily to see how this looks. Now, what annoys you sometimes if you are a trader, and in my experience I have experienced this a lot, what annoys me is that when I open a trade, my trading strategy tells me to open only one trade per time and do not open second trade. If you want to open a second trade, close the first one. So at a time you can have only one trade open. And sometimes happens that if I am in profit, this is great because I'm making money. So why I should not open a second trade? Because the price is moving into my direction, and it will likely to reach my take profit level. So why not to open a second trade? Because that will be great, doubling the profit I will make based on the trading strategy. Instead of making, for example, $1,000, why I should not open a second trade and earn $2,000? Well, what can happen? It can happen the price turns against you. And that means, for example, in this case, if I open a second trade, this will mean I will lose even more money if the price goes against me. So this is something that happens during the trading. And if you are, for example, greedy, which is most of the time the case, why you are opening more trades against your trading strategy is because of the greed, because I have just explained why I should open second trade, because I would like to make more money if the price goes in my favor, even though I will make money with my first order open. But why not open the second trade? And that is a greed that will eventually make you lose more money than you have predicted. Why? Because if the trader goes against you, this will mean that the price will close in your in loss, which will be against you, but with the two trades open, which means you have doubled the risk on your trading activity at the same time, which is against your trading rules. Now, when you have a first order open, for example, if I open a second order right now because I think the market will move in my direction, and currently the second trade is already open, and I am slightly in profit. This will mean that if the price goes even more down, I will double this profit easily. So this minus on my profit column here will eventually become a positive, a plus. So you can see it is minus 70, minus 50, minus 60, minus 40, and it will eventually go down even more, and I will be in plus. So this is something that happens on the market. Later on, when the trades close with a profit or loss, you will probably feel not very good if the trade has been closed with a loss, because it was against your trading rules. Later on, you will be sad because you did not follow your trading strategy rules, which tells you do not open more than one trade at the same time. But if the price goes in your favor and the price closes with a profit these two trades, this will mean that you'll feel great and you will think this was great, and you have opened two trades at the same time and you have doubled the profit on the trade activity. But remember, in the future, in the long run, you'll not be happy, because this will probably eventually will lead to the deleting all the money from your account balance, because the market will not react that good each time. If you have doubled your risk on with two trades instead of one, this will mean that you will wipe your trading account balance much faster than if you had or used only one trade at a time. Now you can see how the market has turned from minus 40, around $50. I have now gone to minus 170. Now the loss is expanding very quickly, because the market with two trades open is going against me, and this means instead of being profitable, which I have thought it will be, I am currently making less and less money, and my account balance is melting a little bit and more. $250 is a pretty big amount of money losing per trade, per two trades. But instead of being in minus 220, I am already minus 320, which has increased the loss on my trading account just because I have opened a second trade, being greedy, where I have thought that the price will go in my favor and I will make even more money than with one trade. This is one of the status that you will experience during the trading. And what is the result? The result should be that you should be objectively trading, which means following your trading rules. Following rules where it says do not open second trade if you already have opened first trade. Wait until the first trade is being closed by take profit or stop loss, and then open the second trade following your trading rules. Open when your strategy tells you to open, and trade without the fear and without the greed. Do not be greedy. Being greedy is pretty destroyable, because it will destroy your account balance and also your thinking clearly when trading and following your trading rules. If you have experienced this kind of status where you do not follow your trading strategy and you have opened more trades than it has been said by trading rules, feel free to share that inside the comments. It will be very nice to see how have you felt when this has happened and what was the outcome later on after the trade has been closed. With a profit or loss, it doesn't matter. It will be interesting to see what do you think about this status, and is it good to follow your trading strategy even it is annoying not opening more than one trade. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.